Hi, Marcus de Maria here, and I wanted to reveal what is the number 1, 2, or 3 reasons why some people fail at trading and investing. And I think the number 1 reason has got to be is because they have absolutely no clue, zero, what they're doing. None at all. What most people do is they open an account, right? Spread betting, leverage, I only need a small amount, I can put it in, hey, it's tax-free, right? Without any strategy at all. No strategy. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know what to invest, where to get in, where to get out with a loss, where to get out with a profit, which are the 4 rules, and they just get in. Well, guess what? If you just do that, you've got a 50-50 chance, haven't you? Either it goes up or it goes down. And that's fine. By the way, I can still make money on 50-50 because I know what I'm doing. But what most people don't realize that there are 2 golden rules to trading and investing. One of them is to cut their losses short. The second one is to let their profits run. And you have to do both. You can't let your profits run and let your losses run. You also can't cut your losses short, but cut your profits short. You've got to cut your losses short and let your profits run. Now, just imagine that those people don't know that, and they don't. They don't have a clue, right? Which is why we have the 90-90-90 rule, right? 90% of new traders lose 90% of their money within 90 days in a new account. Why? Because they don't know what they're doing. So they're going. Now, it either goes up or down, right? There's nothing else. Right, so it goes up. Let's say you made 5%, and they go, oh, this is amazing. Oh, did anybody see this? This is so easy. And they take their 5%, right? Then, what they don't realize is, had they just put a stop loss and raised their stop loss under, they don't even know what a stop loss is. A stop loss is something that stops your losses, right? So it could have gone up another 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%, but they don't know about it. They just took their profits. Next trade. They'll put on, thinking now they're the big kahuna, right? So what they're going to do is put even more money in. Big mistake. You never do that. Because we only ever risk, and this is the second reason, you only ever risk 1% of your entire portfolio. Well, nobody told them that, right? Now they're all big balls, and what they do is they put even more money in because they're thinking the market's my biatch, you know? B-I-T-C-H, bitch. So therefore, what do? Now it goes down. And now they go, oh, I don't like this. Oh, 5%, 10%, and like, what am I supposed to do? Oh, it's got to turn now. Why isn't it turning? It's got to go up. So they've made 5%, put double the money in the next trade, and now I've lost maybe 10% or 20% because they don't have a clue, not even the And by the way, where are they investing, right? Oh, well, they're at the petrol station, BP, lots of cars. Yeah, I think they must make good money, right? And then they just go. That is not a strategy. Because when I tell them, okay, let's say you would invest in BP. I'm not saying it's a bad company. I've bought BP in the past, right? But they don't know when to invest in that company, right? So, yes, it might be a good company. How do you know? Have you done your research? Are their profits growing between 15 and 30% a year? What's their debt like? What's their management like? What's their research and development like? What about the margins? Are they growing? There's not many. There's about 5. It's really, really simple, but you do need to do it. That's the one thing. So they don't know, but they'll invest. But when do they invest? Well, tomorrow? The tomorrow strategy. Wow, tell me, what's the tomorrow strategy? I've never heard of it, so I thought I knew. What's the tomorrow strategy? And they go, no, Marcus, the reason that I'm going to do it tomorrow is because I have time tomorrow. The reason you're doing it, because what if you didn't have time tomorrow? What would you do? Well, I would do it next month. What do you think happens to the price between now and next month? It moves. No. When we get into something, we know the price we want to get in. If it's here, I want it to fall until this price. I don't buy here, I don't buy here, I don't buy here, I don't buy here, I don't buy. Oh yes, I do. It touched my line. Now I buy. I have my stop loss. Boom. If it goes down, I'm out. If it goes up, I let it run. In summary, the reason that these people do not make money trading and investing is because they have no clue at all what they are doing. I was going to swear there. what they are doing. It should be prohibited to do that. You should pass a test, just like a driving test. You should know how to do this, how to look in the mirror, how to do, if you're driving a manual, how to do the old clutch thing, you should do all of it in exactly the same way. But you know what? There isn't. And that is why many of our people have said, our courses are like the driving test for stocks and shares. We used to give out these learner plates for people and hand out the P, the P when you pass the test. And that's when you have a strategy with rules and you follow the rules, you know what to do. But if you don't, if there's a sign and you're driving that says don't turn right and you go, I don't know what that means, and you turn right, well, the lorry will come and wipe you and your entire family out. So you shouldn't do that. Make sure you learn how to do it properly. That is the only reason. Honestly, it's so simple to make money in the stock market, it's actually a crime. But no one knows how to do it because we are never taught. We're not taught by the schools, we're not taught by our parents, we're not taught by the government, we're not taught by anybody. But you've got all of the city advertising, telling you that you should give them their money, your money to them because they're bigger, they're safer, and all of this. What a load of rubbish. Because all they want to do is earn their 3 to 4% management fees a year, and they're preying on the fact that you don't wake up and learn how to do it yourself. It's simple. All you need is some simple strategies which you can start tomorrow. Seriously, tomorrow, which take just 20 minutes either a month, 20 minutes a week, or 20 minutes a day. Okay? And we always say, it doesn't matter whether you learn with us or somebody else, but just learn some strategies that work. Okay? So that's the reason. So now you know there's no more excuse. Make sure you learn as soon as possible. Do it together with your family. It's fun, it's fast, it's efficient and effective. And you'll find somebody who really loves it and drive the finances home. Then you can work on something else. Okay? I could carry on talking about this for too long. I'm going to leave it there. Just make sure you take action. Bye for now.